of superintendence. A high court has also the power of superintendence over all court and tribunal, except those dealing with the armed force functioning in the state. Full stop. In exercise of this power, it may one call for return from such court. Full stop. Two may issue journal rule and prescribe form for regulating the practice and proceeding of such court and second third prescribe form in which book and account are being kept by the officer of any court. Full stop. This power has made the high court responsible for entire administration of justice in the state. Full stop. It is both judicial as well as administrative in nature. The constitution do not place any restriction on its power of supremacy over the subordinate court. Full stop. It may be not the Supreme Court has no similar power via vasa the High Court. To power of transfer of case to High Court. Power of transfer of case to High Court. If the High Court is satisfied that a case pending in a case pending in a court subordinate to it involve a substantial question of law as to the the interpretation of the constitution, the determination of which is necessary for the disposal of the case it shall withdraw the case and may a neither dispose of it or b determining the said question of law and return these to the court from whom it had been withdrawn together with a copy of its judgment on such a question and the said court shall on the receipt thereof proceed to disposal of the case in conformity with such judgment. By vesting these power in the High Court, the framer of our Constitution have safeguarded the possible multiplicity of the Constitution interpretation at the level of the subordinate court. Full stop. High Court has also got impel power to call for the record of any case from any subordinate court to satisfy itself about the correctness and legality of the order passed by the subordinate court. The High Court may either be moved by any interest party to exercise its power of revision. Full stop. Full stop. Even without being so moved, it can show motto call for record and pass necessary order. Pass necessary order. 3. Control over it officer and employee. High Court has complete control over it officer and employee. Full stop. Appointment of officer and servant are to be made by the chief justice over such other judge or officer of the High Court chief justice as the chief justice may direct. Full stop. Chief Justice may direct full stop. Chief Justice may direct full stop. However, the governor of the state may by rule required that in such case as may be specified in the rule, no person no already attached to the court shall be appointed to any office connected with the court except after consultation with the state public service commission, also subject to any of the act of the state legislature. The condition of the service of those officer and servant of the High Court are to be such as may be prescribed by rule made by the Chief Justice of the High Court or by some other judge and officer of the High Court authorize officer officer of the High Court authorized by the Chief Justice to be make such rule, full stop. The power of the appointment also include power to suspend or dismiss full stop. The administrative expansion of the High Court, including all salary, allowance, and pension payable to its officer, are charged upon the consolidated fund of the state. Full stop. Court of record. Court of record. Finally, a High Court is also a court of record. Finally, a High Court is also a court of record. Finally, High Court is also a court of record. Full stop. It decision will be binding on its subordinate court. Its decision will be binding on its subordinate court. Full stop. Its proceeding and discussion have eventually value and they cannot be questioned by the subordinate court. Full stop. Further, it can punish for contempt of itself. Full stop. Some High Court exercise jurisdiction over the union territory. Some High Court exercise jurisdiction over the union territory. Full stop. To make the exercise of this jurisdiction effective. The restriction are imposed on the power of the state. Full stop. Legislature to make law with respect to that jurisdiction. Legislature to make law with respect to that jurisdiction. Full stop. When a High Court exercise jurisdiction in relation to a union territory, the legislature of that state has no power to increase, restrict or abolish that jurisdiction of the High Court. Full stop. Jurisdiction of the High Court. Full stop. Some High Court exercise jurisdiction over the union territory. Some High Court exercise jurisdiction over the union territory. Full stop. To make the exercise of this jurisdiction effective, the restriction are imposed on the power of the state. Full stop. Legislature to make law with respect to that jurisdiction. Legislature to make law with respect to that jurisdiction. Full stop. When a High Court exercise jurisdiction in relation to a union territory, the legislature of that state has no power to increase, restriction or abolish the jurisdiction of the High Court. Jurisdiction of the High Court in the state. In High Court in the state. आर्टिकल 214 से 214 से 227। अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ हाई कोर्ट जज, क्लोज 1 ऑफ द आर्टिकल 217। आर्टिकल 217 आर्टिकल 217 आर्टिकल 217 एडवोकेट ऑन रिकॉर्ड एसोसिएशन वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया 1994 केस। यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया 1994 केस। यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया 1994 केस। यानी कि अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ हाई कोर्ट जज, क्लोज 1 ऑफ द आर्टिकल 217। आर्टिकल 217 प्रोवाइड दैट एवरी जज ऑफ ए हाई कोर्ट shall be appointed by the president by warrant under this hand and seal after the consultation with the Chief Justice of India। Chief Justice of India, Chief Justice of India हो गया, Chief Justice of India, Chief Justice of India। Transfer of the High Court Judge, Article 222। Transfer of High Court Judge, Article 222 Clause 1 of Article 222 provide that a judge of one high court may be judge of the one high court may be transferred to another high court by the president after the consultation with Chief Justice of India। Transfer to another high court by the president after the consultation with the Chief Justice of India। Full stop। Case law, Union of India versus Shankal Chand, यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया वर्सेस शनकाल चंद 1997। SP गुप्ता वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया, AIR 1982, AIR 1982। जुडिशियल रिव्यू SC एडवोकेट ऑन रिकॉर्ड वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया 1994। SC एडवोकेट ऑन रिकॉर्ड वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया, यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया केस 1994। यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया केस 1994। सुप्रीडेंटिंग जुरिडिक्शन ऑफ द हाई कोर्ट, सुप्रीडेंटिंग जुरिडिक्शन। The following are the jurisdiction and power which the High Court enjoy all over the country. Original jurisdiction. The Constitution of India does not give a detailed description of the original jurisdiction of the High Court. Original jurisdiction of the High Court, full stop. It is accept that the original jurisdiction of a High Court is exercised by issue of writ to any person or authority including government, full stop। Article 226 of the Constitution vested in the High Court the power to issue writ for the restoration of the fundamental right, it read notwithstanding anything in Article 32, every High Court shall have power throughout the territory in relation to which it exercise jurisdiction to issue to any person or authority हो गया, person over authority। Appellate jurisdiction, the appellate jurisdiction of the High Court extend to both civil and criminal case। In civil case, its jurisdiction extend to case tried by the court of the municip and district judge, full stop। Municipes, MUNSIFS, municipes and district judge, full stop। Power of the superintendence हो गया, power of the superintendence। Power of the transfer of case to High Court, power of transfer of case to High Court, Third, control over it officer and employee, court or control over it officer and employee, record कोर्ट ऑफ रिकॉर्ड हो गया